3 million na yung annual income, ano po yung best option na gamitin for tax compliance? The answer is depende po sa business mo. Kung ikaw ay isang solo freelancer, ang susunod na maganda, since pag lumagpas ng 3 million, hindi na tayo pwede sa 8% income tax rate. Ang next for solo freelancer na nasa more than 3 million annual income ay yung optional standard deduction. Doon gagamitin mo yung graduated income tax rate table, pero meron kang 40% na tax deduction na inaalaw sa'yo ni BIR. Kasi usually pag freelancer, di ba, pag i-ratio mo yung income to expenses, mababa lang ang expenses ng isang freelancer, lalo na yung mga solo freelancer, walang empleyado, walang subcontractors. Ayun yung marerecommend ko na pag-aralan mo, si optional standard deduction. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.